Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, a few simple reminders for you guys. This video is for educational purpose only. This is not a financial advice, so please do make your own research before making any decisions. Crypto doesn't need to be confusing. Welcome to WEEX, the trusted crypto exchange where your money is safe and you always trade at the best prices. WEEX is simple for beginners but powerful for experts. I'll guide you step by step from creating your account to secure deposits and withdrawals. First, let's talk about why people trust WEEX. WEEX is home to over 6 million users worldwide. You can access 1,200 plus trading pairs and more than 600 futures contracts, giving you endless opportunities. The spreads are super low, which means you always trade cheap and efficiently. Now, safety is where WEEX truly shines. The exchange keeps a 1:1 reserve ratio, meaning every coin you see is fully backed, nothing fake. There's also a 1,000 BTC protection fund set aside for emergencies. And yes, WEEX is fully verified on CoinMarketCap, so you know you're on a trusted platform. For a simple takeaway, your money is safe and you always get the best trading prices. Now let's dig deeper into its security features. Always set up two-factor authentication right after signing up. Here's how. First, go to Profile, then Security, then 2FA. Turn on Google Authenticator. Save your backup code somewhere safe. This means even if someone gets your password, they still can't log in without your 2FA code. I always enable 2FA first thing after signing up. Now let's talk about KYC verification. It's optional but highly recommended. First, go to Profile, ID verification, upload your ID plus selfie, and then you'll be done in under 5 minutes. Without KYC, you can start trading right away, but with KYC, you unlock higher limits, better security, and full access to every feature. It was quick and made everything smoother. Now let's cover how to move your money. On WEEX, deposits, withdrawals, and wallet transfers are designed with both simplicity and top-tier security in mind. To deposit crypto with ease, you go to Assets, Deposit, select your coin, copy the wallet address, and then instantly fund your account and start trading. No delays, no confusions. For withdrawals, however, do it with confidence. Head to Assets, withdraw, paste your wallet address, and confirm the withdrawal. Every withdrawal request goes through policy-based security checks, ensuring your assets remain safe while still giving you fast access to your funds. And for transfers, just simply move funds easily between your spot wallet and futures wallet with just one tap. So why WEEX wallets are safe, you ask? First, MPC-based hot wallets ensures secure online transactions while minimizing single-point risks, while HSM-protected cold wallets are air-gapped, multi-sig, ABD geographically distributed, safeguarding reserves from cyber and physical threats. Also, daily reconciliation automated threshold means that any abnormal withdrawal behavior is instantly flagged and blocked by their policy engine. With WEEX, every deposit and withdrawal is not just a transaction. It's a secure, streamlined experience that puts control and peace of mind back in your hands. Big reminder for you guys, always check the network before sending funds. So why choose WEEX? Because it's trusted by millions, fully backed by reserves, and built for both safety and great prices. Secure your account with 2FA, complete your KYC for smoother access, and you're ready to trade confidently. If you learned something today, please click that like and subscribe button and follow us for more. Thanks for watching and happy trading on WEEX!